recipes are kid-friendly because teaching your kids independence while taking a task off your mental load is a win-win. One of the reasons I created my recipes for loadedpotato.org was so that my kids could make dinner very easily with items in the pantry with minimal knives, minimal prep. So my 13-year-old, Joy, is going to show you how easy it is to make one of her favorite recipes, chili cheese potato bowls. Take it away.
Hi, I'm Joy, daughter and clone of founder of loadedpotato.org and your mini refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry for kids. I love chili a lot, and this is one of my favorite meals to make, and I can make it for lunch for my family in just 10 minutes. In a small cup, combine 1 cup of water and 1/2 a cup of freeze-dried cheese. Stir to make sure all the cheese is covered with water and set aside for 10 minutes. In another small cup, you're going to take your powdered sour cream, 3/4 a cup, and you're going to dump it in. Next, you're going to take 1/3 a cup of water and dump it in as well. Stir it up real good and set aside. Next, you're going to take your large bowl and you're going to get 1 can of no bean chili and add it into your large bowl. Drain 2 cans of diced potatoes and add the chili. Add 1/2 a cup of dried onions and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Add in 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Then add a teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, we're going to add 1/2 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/2 of a teaspoon of pepper. Drain the water from the cheese. Add cheese back in. Then add the sour cream to the bowl. Add 1/4 a cup of dried chives. Stir well. Now, serve in a bowl and enjoy. In the comments, please tell my mom to let me start my own kids cooking channel using her loadedpotato.org recipes. I'm thinking loaded tater tot. Share with your friends and have them comment as well. But in the meantime, follow my mom for more of her amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients, and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependency on the refrigerator. Till next time.
Please start over, please. It's not fine.
Okay.
It's not. Please start over. Please start over. Just